how can just your followers that you follow back on TikTok can invite you to group chats. Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open TikTok. Then when your TikTok is open, you will just go here to your profile, open your profile, then go to this three line, click, and then go to settings and privacy, click again, and then go to privacy, and then go to direct message here, then go to group chat, and then you have to make it followers that you follow back, like this, like I do, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.